3 transformative results. Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Diary of a Rural Doctor. I am Dr. Roberts, your friendly neighborhood doctor and public health specialist. Today I am super excited to chat with you about 3 incredibly important goals we are thriving to achieve worldwide. So grab a cup of tea, settle down and let's dive right in. 3 transformative results. You see, there are 3 major goals we are working towards globally and we call them the 3 transformative results. These are 0 preventable maternal death, 0 unmet need for family planning, and 0 gender-based violence and other harmful practices. But why are these so important? Well, these goals are essential to making sure that everyone on this planet can lead a healthy and happy life. Let me break it down for you. 0 preventable maternal death. First, let's talk about 0 preventable maternal death. This means that we want to make sure that no mom-to-be loses her life while giving birth or because of pregnancy complications. Sadly, many women around the world face challenges when it comes to accessing proper health care during pregnancy and childbirth. That is why we're working to help improve medical facilities, train more skilled birth attendants, and raise awareness about the importance of prenatal and postnatal care. 0 unmet need for family planning. Next up is 0 unmet need for family planning. Now, this might sound a bit complex, but it is actually quite simple. We want to make sure that everyone who wants to plan when they have children can do so easily and safely. To achieve this, we are providing access to different types of birth controls and educating people about their rights and options. This way, couples and individuals can make informed decisions about when to have kids, how many to have, and how to space them out. 0 gender-based violence and other harmful practices. Lastly, we are aiming for 0 gender-based violence and other harmful practices. In a nutshell, we want to create a world where everyone is treated fairly and with respect regardless of their gender. This includes tackling issues like earlier marriages, female genital mutilation, and domestic violence. To achieve this, we are educating communities, providing support to survivors, and pushing for stronger laws to protect everyone. Why governments and partners are committed. Now, you might be wondering why governments and partners worldwide are so committed to these transformative results. Well, these goals are like the building blocks of a healthy, strong, and prosperous global community. When moms are healthy, kids can grow up in loving and nurturing environments. When families can plan their futures, they can focus on things like education and employment. And when everyone is treated fairly, we can all live in harmony. Imagine if your sister, your cousin, or your best friend had a baby. Wouldn't you want them to have the best care possible during pregnancy and childbirth? Of course you would. That is why we are fighting for 0 preventable maternal death. And think about your family. Being able to plan when you have children can help you make sure that you are ready and able to provide for your little ones, giving them the best possible start in life. That is why 0 unmet need for family planning is so crucial. Lastly, picture a world where everyone is treated with kindness and respect. Doesn't that sound like a place where you would want to live? That is why we're working towards 0 gender-based violence and other harmful practices. So you see, these 3 transformative results are like magic recipe for a better world. A place where moms are healthy and strong, families can plan their futures, and everyone is treated with respect. And the best part is that by working together, we can make this dream a reality. Now, I know you might be thinking, Dr. Roberts, this all sounds great, but what can I do to help? Well, my friend, there are plenty you can do. First, share this video with your friends and family to spread the word. The more people know about these transformative results, the more support we will have. You can also talk to your teachers, your schoolmates, and your workmates, and your community about these goals. Maybe organize a fundraiser or a community event to raise awareness and support. Remember, every little bit helps. And finally, don't forget to treat everyone with kindness and respect, because that is the foundation of a better world for all of us. Alright, lovely people, that's it for today's episode. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey towards a brighter future for our world. I hope you have learned something new and feel inspired to make a difference. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Until next time, stay safe and keep making the world a better place. Cheers.